Good morning, children. Welcome to the third and last session of Degrees of Comparison. Let us continue with whatever we have done in the last session. Now, the next technique. Now, the sentence from superlative, when you change to positive, what you have to do? The technique is the same as in A, with slight difference. That is the formally what we have discussed. It is same but slight difference. What is the change? Let us see. Change the comparative bigger than into the positive as big as. Big is the positive of bigger. So you have to change bigger than to as big as. And second, interchange the two things compared. That is London and any other city. Next, change the affirmative is into the negative is not. But any and not do not come together in the same construction. So, instead of any other city is not, you must use no other city is. Remember, okay? So positive, what will you write? No other city in the world is as big as London. So what you have to remember? Any and not do not come together. Instead of not, you must use the negative adjective no. Now let us see what is wrong and what is right. Children do mistake. Okay. So if you write any other man did not come is wrong. Okay. So what is the correct way to write? No other man came. Okay. Then any other country has not such fine climate. It's wrong. So what will you write? No other country has such fine climate. Any other boy could not do it. That's wrong. What will you write? No other boy could do it. Any other metal is not as useful as iron. It's wrong. So what is the correct way? No other metal is as useful as iron. Now let's see the next example. Ceylon is one of the biggest islands in the world. So what technique should we use to change it? What is the degree used here? Biggest islands. Okay. One of the biggest islands. Listen, it is not given Ceylon is the biggest island. It is given one of the. Okay, so you have to remember. So what is the technique? First, replace the superlative the biggest for the comparative bigger than. Right? Then remember, Ceylon is only one of the biggest island. If islands are divided into three groups, big, bigger and biggest, Ceylon falls in the third group, that is the biggest group. It is therefore bigger than all the islands in the first groups and perhaps one or more in the biggest group. So in other words, it is bigger than most other islands. So comparative will be Ceylon is bigger than most other islands in the world. So if you write Ceylon is bigger than other islands, wrong. Okay. What you have to write? Most other, because one of is given. So that means there are other islands which are big, but Ceylon is bigger than most of the islands, right? So most other islands in the world. Now what is the next technique? Change the comparative bigger than into the positive as big as. Okay. Interchange the places of the two compared things, that is Ceylon and most other islands in the world, and change the affirmative is into the negative are not. The sentence would thus become, most other islands in the world are not as big as Ceylon. But instead of using most other islands in the world are not, most grammarians use very few islands in the world are. Thus, the final form of the positive degree would be, very few islands in the world are as big as Ceylon. So what you have to keep note of, the degree of comparison can also be changed by using less and not least. Okay. Let's see the sentences now. Sita is as strong as Lena. So what is the degree? Positive. You have to make it comparative. Leela is not less strong than Sita. So this way also you can do, right? So strong, you have to write not less strong. The next sentence, some boys in our class are at least as intelligent as Sham. Positive, as intelligent as. So the comparative will be, some boys in our class are not less intelligent than Sham. So what will be the superlative degree of this sentence? Sham is not the most intelligent boy in the class. Okay. Now in the first example what you have seen, the comparison was only between two, Sita and Lena. Okay. So you can make only 2 degrees, that is positive to comparative. But here boys are there, right? So the positive can be changed to comparative as well as superlative. But note the things, note the words which are used. In the positive, at least as intelligent as. And here, less intelligent than for comparative, and superlative, the most intelligent. Now that you have understood how to change the degree, let us do the exercise given in your grammar workbook, page number 8. Change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. First sentence, Akbar was one of the greatest kings. So the greatest kings, it is which degree? Superlative. So you have to change it into both the degrees, positive as well as comparative. The greatest, positive will be great and comparative greater, right? So what will you write in the positive? Very few kings were as great as Akbar. Remember children, it is given here one of the. So when one of the is given, you have to write very few, right, in the positive. So very few kings were as great as Akbar, positive degree. And comparative, Akbar was greater than most other kings. This church is the biggest in Mumbai. So positive will be, no other church in Mumbai is so big as this. Okay, so in the positive, no other, and comparative, any other. You have to remember. So comparative will be, this church is bigger than any other church in Mumbai. Mahabaleshwar is cooler than Mysore. So here comparison between only two. So you have to make just the positive degree. So what will you write? Mysore is not so cool as Mahabaleshwar. This is one of the hottest districts in India. Remember, one of the is given. So what will you write when one of the comes? Very few. Very few districts in India are as hot as this one. This is positive degree. Now you have to make it comparative. This district is hotter than most other districts in India. Next sentence. The airplane flies faster than birds. So here comparative degree is given. So what will you do? When comparative is given between two, you have to just write positive degree. The birds do not fly as fast as the airplane. This newspaper has a bigger circulation than any other morning paper. Comparative degree is given. So positive will be no other morning paper has as big circulation as this newspaper. And superlative degree, this newspaper has the biggest circulation amongst all the morning papers. Next sentence. Australia is the largest island in the world. It is superlative, so you have to make it positive and comparative. No other island in the world is so large as Australia. Then comparative. Australia is larger than any other island in the world. Next sentence. Iron is more useful than any other metal. More useful. So comparative degree, you have to make it positive and superlative. Positive degree will be no other metal is so useful as iron. Superlative. Iron is the most useful metal. Next sentence. Very few cities in India are as big as Chennai. Very few is given. Positive degree. So comparative will be Chennai is bigger than most other cities in India. Superlative. Chennai is one of the biggest cities in India. So one of the is given in superlative. So positive will be very few and comparative most other. Remember, some beans are at least as nutritious as meat. So it is positive degree. Comparative will be some beans are not less nutritious than meat. Superlative. Meat is not the most nutritious. Next sentence. Samudragupta was one of the greatest of all kings. One of the is given. So very few will come. Very few Indian kings were as great as Samudragupta. Kings are there. So where you have to write. Remember? So comparative. Samudragupta was greater than any other Indian kings. Next sentence. He loves all his sons equally well. So comparative. He does not love any one son more than other sons. I hope you have understood. Now, at the end of the video, you will find a link. You have to click on the link and submit your answer in the worksheet. Thank you.